Hello engineers, welcome back. In this video, we're going to discuss the next sorting algorithm, which is merge sort. I hope you're ready. Let's get started. So in this video, we'll see how merge sort works. Okay, so let's take a simple array, something like this: 13, 11, 12, 6, 5, 7, something like this. And the idea of merge sort is slightly complex than the previous two algorithms, but it is quite powerful in terms of performance. So how does it go? The idea of merge sort is divide the array into two halves. This is first half, this is second half, and keep dividing it further. Let's say this is my first half, this is my second half. Keep dividing it until there is no further division. Okay, so at this point we have reached a stage where no further division is possible. Now we will start merging the arrays from the bottom up. So if we merge these two, we need to get a new array which is sorted. So these two are my bottom arrays. Now I'll merge them and the result should be a merged array, something like this. So now this will become 11, 13. Now I will merge these two small arrays so that this array becomes sorted. Now at the end of the merge, these three elements will be sorted: 11, 12, 13. Now I will further divide the right hand side array in the same way. This will go like this: 6, 5, and then 7. And then this will be broken down further into 6, 5. And there is nothing else to divide. So we will start merging these two. And when this merge happens, the resultant array will be a sorted one. And I will merge these two now. So these two arrays will be merged and the resultant array will be sorted one, like this: 5, 6, 7, sorted. Now I will merge these two. Now while merging these two, again I will get a final sorted array like this: 5, 6, 7, 11, 12, 13. So that's how I get my full merge array, merged sorted array. Okay, so we divide it and then we start to merge them from the bottom up. Okay, for this we will use the concept of recursion, and this dividing concept is called divide and conquer. So we have not seen them in detail, but to understand merge sort, we will use these two techniques. So just bear with me until we do this implementation. So let's do a dry run of this. Okay, so let's erase all this and we will do a dry run so that you will understand the algorithm in a better way. Let's rewrite the array. What was it? 13, 11, 12, 6, 5, 7. Now what do we do? First we need to break them down. So we break them down into two arrays, and this process continues until there is no more left array to break down. So the left array will continue to break down until there is nothing else to be broken. Now we are here. Now all this is divide area. Divide. Now here we will start to do the merge. How will we merge it? How will we merge these two? Remember, we are merging the main array itself at every step. We are not creating a new array and then copying it back to the main array. We are directly changing the main array. So how do we do it? So here we take the help of two temporary arrays. Let's call it temp left. Temp left will carry 13 and we can say temp right. Temp right will carry the array 11. Now this is my main array, which was currently having the same elements as these ones. Now I will change them. So how will I change them? I will iterate through this left array, I will iterate through this right array, and I will compare each and every element. If left element first element is 13, right element second first element is 11, whichever is the smallest, I will push it here. Okay, so among 11 and 13, 11 is smallest, so I will push 11 here. And my right array is traversed. This is completed. Now whatever is remaining in the left array, I will push it here. And the remaining elements will be same. I am not disturbing them. It is the same. Now this piece is completed. This merge is done. Okay. Now this small array has changed to 11 and 13. Now we need to merge these two. So let's clear our merge area. Now merge area will have two new left and right arrays. This will be 11, 13, and this will be 12. Now again I will traverse these two arrays and I will check every element, first element of left array with first element of right array. So since 11 is smaller, I will push 11 here to the first index, but 11 is already there, so nothing to do. We can move forward. Now I will compare this element 13 with the first element of 12. So 12 is smaller, so 12 needs to come here. So I will change my main array. So 12 is coming here. Now, if I use this index, now this index is done, I will move forward, but there is nothing else. So my right array iteration is done. Now at this point, I will check are there any remaining elements on the left array? Yes, there is one element remaining. I will push it to the next index. So my next index is here. So I will change this one. And I will move forward. There is nothing else to do. So both these are done. So my merge area can now be cleared. Okay. Now these two are merged. So this array has now become 11, 12, 13. Now at this point of time, I can merge these two, but this needs to be further divided. So that loop will start. So let's break this down now. So this will go like this, 6, 5, and then 7. And this can be further broken down. So this is 6 and then this is 5. Now I need to merge these two into this one. So my temp left will have 6, temp right will have 5. And what is the index of 6? Index of 6 is 4. So these are my indexes 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, index is 3. So I will put my current index here where I need to do the merge. Okay. So again, I'm comparing first element of left with first element of right. 5 is smaller than 6. So I will put 5 here. So 5 goes here and temp right iteration is done. Remaining element is in temp right, temp left. So I will just push it to the next element. So index moves forward. Now my index is here. I will push it here. Now this array is sorted because nothing else left in the left array. So this is also done. So my merge area can be cleared. And this is now sorted. This will now become 5, 6. Now we need to do sort of these two. So left temp will have 5, 6, temp right will have 7. Now my index is at, again, whatever is the first element's index, that will be my current index. So element is at 5, and now the current index of 5 is here. So my index will be here, just as the previous one. Now again I'm checking. What am I checking? First element of left array with the first element of right array. 5 is smaller than 7, so 5 will come here. So 5 is already in its place, so nothing to do. So my index will move forward. Now I can iterate through the left array. Now I am comparing 6 with 7. 6 is smaller, but 6 is already in place, so nothing to do. Index can move forward. Left array iteration is done. And now right iteration, there is one element remaining. We will simply push it here, but 7 is already in place, so nothing to do. So right array iteration is also done. So now we can clear the merge area. So this was already a sorted merge. Nothing to do here. Now, what do we do next? So now we have reached here 11, 12, 13, 5, 6, 7. Now we need to merge these two. So my left temp will have 11, 12, 13. Right temp will have 5, 6, 7. So now this is a sorted array, right? We forgot to change this. This is a sorted array now. 5, 6, and 7. Right. So now we are comparing. Now where is my index? My index is here now, because whatever is in the leftmost index, first element of the left array, that will be my array index. So now I'm here. I'm comparing 11 with 5. I'm comparing 11 with 5. So 5 is smaller, so 5 will come here. I will come here. Now index was here. Now index will be here. Now I'm comparing 12 with 5. So again 5 is smaller. Sorry, I made one small mistake here. We need to move the index of the used element. So previously the index was here for both the arrays. Now I have used 5, so this index will move forward. Now I am comparing 11 with 6. So 6 is smaller, so 6 will come here. So here also index will move because we have used this space. Now 6 will come here. Now this has become 5, 6. And now this index is moving forward. Now we are comparing 11 with 7. 7 is smaller, so 7 will come here. So index would have moved here. Now 7 will come here, and the pointer moves forward. There is nothing to do. So this iteration is done. So now whatever is remaining in the left array, this will always be a sorted array. So we can simply copy them to our new index locations. So the index is here. We will just fill them here. So now this will become 11, 12, and 13. So index will keep moving forward while filling. This index also will keep moving forward while filling. And once we are done with this iteration, we are done with the merge also. And once merge is done, we can simply return the main array. Now main array will look like this. 5, 6, 7, 11, 12, 13. And this is sorted. So that's what we need. So this is the concept of merge sort. It is slightly complex. It does not involve nested loops or anything, but it does involve the concept of recursion and divide and conquer. So for this video, let's pause with the theory. In the next video, we will do the coding of merge sort in C++. Okay. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll quickly see you in the next one. Cheers.